Welcome to SJeevan Vlogs. Please like, subscribe, and share this channel. My dad likes these moon biscuits, and that's why I'm making them today for Father's Day. They are delicious and melt in the mouth when you eat. Their ingredients are wheat flour 1 3/4 cup, powdered sugar 1 cup, milk powder 1 tablespoon, ghee or clarified butter 3/4 cup, and coconut flour 1/4 cup. Add all the powders in a bowl and add a pinch of salt. When all the dry ingredients are thoroughly mixed, add ghee little by little and make a dough. You can buy ghee in any Indian store or simply buy 16-ounce butter and cook it on low flame until clear oil is seen. You can substitute the whole wheat flour with all-purpose flour or any other gluten-free flour. Press the dough with a rolling pin to 1/2 inch thickness on any surface like a cutting board in a rectangular shape for easy cutting. Cut the rectangle into 3 equal parts. Take a circular cookie cutter and press to cut crescent shape. Take a parchment paper, put it on a baking pan, and arrange the biscuits. Preheat the oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Bake the cookies in the oven for about 20 minutes. If you do not have an oven, you can bake these moon biscuits on a sand bath. These moon biscuits are quick and easy to make. The best aspect of homemade biscuits is just how simple they are with few steps. I just want my dad to remember his childhood days and enjoy eating these great moon biscuits. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed before. Press the notification bell icon to receive notifications for our new videos, like and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.